You've got to pull the trigger, pull the hammer, and shoot it.
Put the hammer back.
No one has a right to tell me that I can't have it. That is protected under our Constitution.
Where does it say a handgun is protected?
No, gun. We should, every
It doesn't say
citizen
gun. It says arms.
What is arms?
It could be a nuclear weapon.
That's right. It could be a nuclear weapon.
Do you think you should have the right to have weapons-grade plutonium here on the farm?
We should be able to have
should
anything.
You have weapons? Should you have weapons-grade plutonium?
I don't want it.
But should you have the right to have it if you did want it?
That should be restricted.
Oh, so you do believe in some restrictions?
Well, there's wackos out there.
Happiness is a warm gun.
The town of Virgin, Utah has passed a law requiring all residents to own guns.
Proudly displays the target he used to pass his shooting test. But the thing is, he can't see it. He's blind. Kerry has had a love affair with guns since he first got his hands on an M16 as a teenager.
I'm actually most comfortable with assault rifles.